Want to watch all kinds of movie for free? In this video, I will show you how to watch movies for free on Dodo Webview. You may ask, what's Dodo Webview? It is a lightweight website with built-in privacy and security. Dodo is light and fast, perfect for older iPhones or limited storage. In one word, it is a fast browser. Now let's get started. First, open the App Store on your iPhone. Then search Dodo Webview. Download it. After installing, open the app. Copy the link given below in the description. Then paste it here. After that, click Open Webview. As you can see, this website has all kind of movie. If you click here, you will see Top IMDb, Movies, TV shows, and Genre. Click Genre. Then select what type of movies you want to see. That's it, friends. Hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like and comment what is your favorite movie. Thanks for watching.